Hi guys, so I'm Megha from Arua and I'm the founder of Arua. It's a youth-led organization and we work on child sexual abuse prevention. So hi to everybody on Facebook and hi to everybody on Instagram. So today's our session name is Dil Ki Baat and it is an initiative in which we're inviting experts from different fields, psychologists, lawyers, children, and taking their opinion on how can we actually prevent child sexual abuse. I know every day we read cases of children getting sexually abused. We read cases of children's bodies getting ravished, but it is preventable and we know it is preventable. So we have with us today Miss Anandita Anand. She's a child psychologist at Gangaram Hospital. It is truly an honor to have you here, ma'am. And let's start with our session called as Dil Ki Baat. A very, very, let me check.
You want to delete it? Move my seat.
Yes, now you are visible.
Yeah.
Let me check if we are visible on Instagram also. Okay.
How about we?
Yes.
Yeah, now it's
Cool. So are we live on Instagram now? Great. And wait, let me just do some settings. Great. Wait. Okay, so ma'am, how are you?
I am very, very, very well.
And thank you so much for taking our time, and thank you so much for always being there with us and helping us and guiding us in the path, because we know कि जब organization start होती है और especially जब child sexual abuse की बात हो रही है, psychologist is a must. So thank you so much, ma'am. Today, ma'am, in today's session, we will be joined by people from different states. We'll be joined by people from different countries as well. So let's starting with the session. We have some pre-decided questions.
Okay.
So Madhav has asked us. So let's take hi Madhav, hi Alisha. We'll be taking Madhav's question first. Hi
Sure.
Siddharth. He wants to know what exactly is child sexual abuse.
Okay, that is an amazing question to begin with, is what I feel, because a lot of people don't understand what abuse is. Because for most of the people, if it is penetrative, so let's talk about first of all sexual, because thappad maar diya is also abuse, gali de di is also abuse. But now let's come to child sexual abuse, because that's what the organization is about, that's what the session is about. So basically, abuse basically doesn't just mean penetrative sex, which is out of consent. Definitely, that is one part of it. But what abuse means is without a consent, and even if, and in case of children, if I tell you particularly, even if there is consent. So what if I tell you are a 13-year-old or a 5-year-old and I tell you, come, let me love you, and you allow me to do it, but you know that you're doing it with an underage child and it is a crime. If either one of them has a knowledge that it is a heinous offense and they still do it, and the minor one still gives consent, even that is considered abuse, because it is still in our constitution a crime. Also, because children don't have that kind of ability to understand, they are still developing their vocabulary. They don't understand how tumhe pyar karunga kya matlab hai, what does love mean, what does a good touch mean, what does a bad touch mean. I'm assuming a lot of them don't. That's why we're working, we're sitting here. So that is what it means. So what abuse definitely means, it's penetrative. Either it is, it can be using sexual language with the kid, a lot of sexual abuses with the kid, teaching the kid that, telling him कि जाओ तुम जाके उसको ये बोल दो, जाओ उसको किस कर लो जाके, किसी भी तरीके का it can be.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, since you just told us that sexual abuse can be without touch also.
Yes.
So, I have observed that बहुत ज़्यादा लोग ignore कर देते हैं इस चीज़ को, sexual abuse without touch का होता है, and some people are not even aware that it's punishable or not. So, what can we do if somebody is whistling at us, or if somebody is just showing us some kind of a video which we don't want to see, maybe pornographic material?
So I think a lot of our viewers will also agree to that. All of us, and I can vouch for it, all of us have gone through it, and I just don't mean women, and I just don't mean men, actually children. All of us are going through it. How? If you're sitting in a bus, right, and somebody, and a lot of kids have come to me and they've told me that, you know, this uncle made me sit on the lap and he was just trying to rub himself on me. That's abuse. Because why? It's sexual in content. It made the child feel insecure, and it has, you know, somehow crossed its boundaries of age and of, what is allowed and what is not allowed. So definitely that people don't consider it abuse because of, I think that's a very huge agenda to talk about.
Yes.
Because of the taboo.
Okay.
Right? Because now, how will you prove it that this uncle has done that? Because in the name of नहीं मैं तो सिर्फ प्यार कर रहा था या मैंने तो सिर्फ छुआ, आपको गलत लग रहा है, आप overthink कर रहे हो. So all of that starts happening and the child feels completely naked in front of so many people because the trust is broken, nobody trusts that person, and now the child is completely feeling कि मैं आगे से भी नहीं बता सकता, nobody is going to trust me. So yes, a lot of abuse is happening without touch. There is this disorder, I would like to add a psychological term, it's called voyeurism, right?
Voyeurism.
So voyeurism means